Hi there, my name's Brendan and I am the head coach of Raw Motion Fitness, and over the last 7 years I've lost 10 stone in weight, changed my career, and now I help busy career-driven professionals achieve great things with their mindset, with their movement and with their nutrition, and change their lives. And one of the things that I've seen pop up quite a lot over the last few months and years really is the propensity for people to be sat at their desk working long hours. In fact, I spoke to someone the other day who had a conference call for over 12 hours the other day. They had 5 minutes in the morning to break, 5 minutes in the afternoon, and a 15-minute lunch break. Now, firstly, we could get into the whole, is that right? Should the boss be able to command that much of your time? But we're going to push that to one side and give you some simple coaching tips to help alleviate any back pain or stress on the shoulders and the body, because let's face it, we've all been on those long calls on Zoom and we slowly fall into very weird and wonderful positions around the computer. So today I wanted to run through just 3 things that you can do to help boost that feeling of, oh, right, I'm up, I'm about, I'm feeling better for moving than sitting in a position that's going to cause some problems down the line. So what you're going to need is some floor. I think pretty much everybody's got floor. Hopefully it's comfortable and you can just lie down nice and flat on the floor. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to teach you to do is very simply just squeeze the glutes. All right, thing number 1. All right, it's going to feel really weird and you're going to look like a strange person, but let's face it, everyone's at home alone, so you know, the only person looking at you might be the dog. All we want to do from here, guys, have your hands out flat and your feet wedged into the ground as if you're going to try and push yourself forward with your toes. And then from there, I want you to just squeeze your glutes like that. And as you squeeze your glutes, your bum, you want to feel like your pelvis is pushing into the ground and your core can tighten up just that little bit. Okay, that's move number 1. So if you can do that effectively, we can then start to progress it. Move number 2 is very simply trying to raise those hands off the ground as you squeeze the glutes and you squeeze your core. Okay, nice and simple. Squeeze, embrace, squeeze, embrace. That's all we want, okay? And then the third thing you can do is start to progress the movement itself. This is one of the most fundamental things that I see people can't do. They can't lift their hands very high. They can't get extension of their thoracic spine, which is this middle section of their spine, because their mid-back muscles have just disengaged completely from sitting behind a desk. So remember, we want to squeeze those toes into the ground, squeeze the glutes. We want to raise and then pretend to swim. Passing the hands out, and see if you can use your toes to squeeze the glutes, to squeeze your back, to keep you up, and see how high and how many reps you can do before you feel like you have to fold forwards and relax. Now, one thing that I like to use as a point of reference is a bottle or a foam roller out in front of me, and if I shuffle backwards, when I first started these, I was like, can't do it. Now, I've managed to get that much extension in my spine and activation so that I can go over the top of the foam roller. Okay, why is that important? Well, it helps me with my posture when I'm out and about, but also when I'm sitting at a desk in a Zoom meeting, so I don't end up doing this all the time. I can actually hold myself upright. So there you go. Start with the glutes, move into the core and lifting the shoulders, and then your third thing is set a height and start to do nice big swimming breaststrokes. Hope that's been helpful. If you found it helpful, please put a comment down below and let me know, and I'll make some more of these videos moving forwards. Have a great day, stay strong and keep moving.